I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. So long press on the lock screen and then tap on customize lock screen, enter your password, and that should open your lock style editor. So you want to go to your current lock screen, tap on customize, and then tap on wallpaper. And then now you can choose a different wallpaper for your lock screen. So for instance, you have these different categories of wallpapers. You can pick one that you want. So for instance, if I pick that, you can see the preview of what that looks like. You can go to effects and have different effects for that particular wallpaper. If you want a matte effect, you can enable that. You can disable. Basically, you can just do whatever you want with this in terms of customizing. And then once you're happy with it, tap on apply. You may be given the option to also include that as your home screen wallpaper, but you can choose only lock screen and then tap on apply again. And that's how to change your lock screen wallpaper on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.